I think we have already been clear on this issue. It has to be one grand alliance against the ruling party. It cannot be divided forces. Everything has to be in unison. The common agenda has to be driven. Our agenda of the common people has to be taken out. And Tajir, I think all like-minded parties or like-minded people have to come together for this 2017 elections if we need to go through. समज नासले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता the same thing continues of where the underhand dealings take place and settings are done and the same party comes back in power. So if you ask me as a personal opinion, I am of the opinion that what the parties have said rightly, whether it's NCP, Goa Forward, I think I am in tune with that particular same thoughts that all forces should be together against the ruling BJP party. Congress is fighting within themselves. So question of we getting into Congress is a far away thought. तांच्या भितर वचून सगळ्या सारकें पडना जाग्यार. But it is for the Congress think tank to think what they need to do. Similar goes for the rest. As far as I am concerned, still the elections are still away. Morally we are already supporting Goa Forward to take it ahead. So when time comes, we'll see about it.